So that's a very good answer. So what I now let's move towards the actual topic today. Okay, climate change.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
first and foremost question is, what is climate change? Okay, and now what I want to do is explain it like you are explaining it to a 10-year-old.
To a 10-year, yeah.
Because most of the people don't get it, because they
Right.
think it's some superficial, very difficult, complex thing that we cannot understand. So let's begin.
Yeah, true.
I want all
That
of,
happens a lot.
what I want from you is explain it like you are explaining it to a 10-year-old. Okay. So what is
Okay.
climate change?
So basically, climate change is the climate around you that is changing. So we know what climate is, right? We have learned that since schools. It's the weather around us. Weather comprises of whether it's sunny or whether it's windy or whether it's rainy. So we know what weather is. We have different seasons. We have got winter, we have got summer, we have got rainy season in India. So we know what different seasons are, and we know what the weather is going to be according to the seasons. If you maybe talk to your grandparents, you will realize they keep on saying, oh my god, इस बार ठंडी बहुत ज्यादा है, या फिर इस बार पिछले साल से ज्यादा गर्मी है. So you listen to them all this time saying, even your grandparents, your parents, everybody keeps saying that the weather is changing every year. That basically means that the normal conditions that are supposed to be in the environment at a particular season or at a particular time are now changing. अगर आप लोग ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो winters are supposed to be a 4-month season, summer is supposed to be a 4-month season, rainy season is supposed to be for 4 months in India, isn't it? We have the months segregated and we have learned that in school as well. But if you now observe, at least this is what I have observed in Pune, winters don't last that long anymore. They are barely there for like 2 months or so, maybe December or January. But we don't have winters for a longer period of time because it's getting warmer and the summers are excruciating. कोई अगर मतलब मई इन द मंथ ऑफ मई लोग बाहर नहीं पढ़ना चाहते घर से. एवरीबडी इज लाइक नहीं यार दोपहर के 12 बज के अभी घर पे ही रहेंगे. दिस वाजंट रियली द सिनेरियो बिफोर. हम लोग समर वेकेशंस में खेलने जाते थे. वी यूज्ड टू बी आउट इन द सन ऑल डे, एंटायर डे, सुबह से लेके शाम तक. We didn't really feel that much. Now you see kids are getting sunburns, they're getting heat strokes, और लोग बाहर जाने से डरते हैं. They have to be covered up completely. आप सनस्क्रीन लगाओ, कैप पहनो, सन प्रोटेक्शन के लिए जैकेट्स पहनो. I mean, you'll also, if you think about it, you'll remember कि बचपन में चीजें कैसी थी and how this has changed. And obviously, it is going to change. It's not like कि weather constant रहेगा. But this is basically what climate change is. जो एवरेज कंडीशंस आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो आपके सराउंडिंग वेदर की, वो चेंज होती है. दे आर नॉट एग्जैक्टली एट पार एट व्हाट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी. सो दैट इज बेसिकली व्हाट क्लाइमेट चेंज इज. आपके आजू बाजू के आपके एरिया में टेम्परेचर्स जो है वो बदल रहे हैं. यू आर गेटिंग वार्मर विंटर्स. पहले जहाँ पे विंटर सीजन में आकर फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से अगर 10 डिग्री टेम्परेचर होता था तो अभी 15-20 के आसपास होता है. दिस जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, इट्स नॉट very specific, but this is what is happening. अगर रेनी सीजन आपको अनटाइमली रेन्स यू आर गेटिंग, कभी भी बारिश हो जाती है क्योंकि हीट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. रेनी सीजन के टाइम पे हमारे डैम्स फिलअप नहीं होते क्योंकि उस टाइम पे बारिश जितनी होनी चाहिए उतनी नहीं होती है. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स बेसिकली कंट्रीब्यूट टू क्लाइमेट चेंज, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ का क्लाइमेट पूरी तरह से चेंज हो गया है. जो एक एक्सपेक्टेड सेट ऑफ कंडीशंस थी वो फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहा है. दैट्स व्हाट climate change is in its basic definition.
Just by listening to this, there are so many questions popping up in my head. I was just taking just one after another. So
let them come in, definitely.
So the first thing, what I learned about the climate change by reading news and on YouTube videos or news, is that it's not just the changing of the climate; it's the extremity of it. So in summer you have extreme summer.
Exactly.
In season you have so much rain that there are floods, and in winter too much cold. So it's just not the changing of the seasons; it's just extremity of it.
Extremity of it, exactly.
So can count as a climate change. And what I've learned is it's literally climate change. So
change, exactly.
And it's there in the name itself, climate change.
Climate change.
Yeah. So